At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an outsourcing business can be a lucrative venture if approached strategically. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Understand the outsourcing landscape. Identify industries and businesses that commonly outsource services such as IT, customer support, digital marketing, etc. Assess the competition and their offerings. 2. Identify your niche. Determine the specific services you want to offer based on your skills, expertise, and market demand. Focusing on a niche can help you stand out and attract clients. 3. Business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as your roadmap for success and can be crucial when seeking funding or investment. 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your jurisdiction. 5. Build a team. If you can't handle all aspects of the business yourself, start building a team of skilled professionals. This might include recruiters, project managers, developers, designers, etc. Ensure you have a solid recruitment process in place to hire the right talent. 6. Set up infrastructure. Invest in the necessary infrastructure including office space, technology, software tools, and communication systems. Consider cloud-based tools for flexibility and scalability. 7. Develop contracts and agreements. Create standard contracts and service-level agreements, SLAs, outlining the terms and conditions of your services, payment terms, confidentiality agreements, etc. It's essential to protect your business interests and clarify expectations with clients. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and create marketing materials such as a website, business cards, brochures, and social media profiles. Use online and offline marketing strategies to promote your services and attract clients. 9. Networking and partnerships. Attend industry events, conferences, and networking functions to connect with potential clients and partners. Building relationships with other businesses and professionals can lead to referrals and collaboration opportunities. 10. Provide excellent service. Once you start acquiring clients, focus on delivering high-quality services consistently. Happy clients are more likely to become repeat customers and refer others to your business. 11. Scale your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your service offerings, hiring more staff, and exploring new markets. Continuously assess and adjust your strategies to stay competitive and profitable. 12. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated with industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in regulations that may affect your business. Adapt and evolve accordingly to remain relevant in the market. Starting an outsourcing business requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.